How to log into CVS employee online account. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily do that. First off, you're going to have to open up your web browser, and from your web browser you just have to search for CVS employee login. So I'll just go to the search bar and then simply search for CVS employee and hit enter. Now you can just click on the first link that you see here, my HR CVS portal. Once you tap on it, you should be able to log in without any problem. Now, in order to log into your online account, you'll have multiple options here. So the first thing you can do is provide your user ID. Then you can just enter your password. Now, if you want to view your password to confirm it, you can just check this box that says show password. Once you check that box, you should be able to tap on this log on button to simply log into your account. And if both your username and password are correct, you should be able to log in without any problem. And if you want to recover your account, you can click on forgot user ID or password, then provide last four digits of your social security number, enter your date of birth, tap on this checkbox and then continue. And after doing so, you should be able to recover your account without any problem. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.